Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with your day one outlook for both fire weather and severe weather. We're going to start off with the fire weather outlook first. We have an elevated fire weather risk today covering parts of Colorado, southwestern Kansas, the western part of the panhandle of Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, and eastern New Mexico. So, in synopsis, an upper ridge will overspread the Mississippi Valley as a pronounced mid-level trough impinges on the Rockies today. As this occurs, strong surface lead troughing will encourage widespread 15-plus mile-per-hour sustained southerly winds over the central and southern high plains for much of the afternoon. Elevated highlights have been maintained over areas devoid of recent precipitation, hence dry fuels, and where relative humidity will dip below 20% for several hours. So, that's your day one fire weather outlook. And if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fire can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. And if I were you... Oh, yeah, I mentioned. Okay. So where am I now? Oh, yeah. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Because one, that's littering. Two, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, now moving over to the day one severe weather outlook category. We have a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses areas along the southwestern coast of areas along and adjacent to the marginal risk encompasses the southwestern California coast and areas adjacent to the southwestern California coast, southwestern California, in simplest terms. Cities in today's marginal include Los Angeles, California, San Diego, California, Long Beach, California, Santa Ana, California, and Anaheim, California. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today covering the southwestern coast of California. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Los Angeles, California, San Diego, California, Long Beach, California, Santa Ana, California, and Anaheim, California. Now to the wind threat for today. We have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour today covering the southwestern California coastline along in areas adjacent to the southwestern California coastline. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Los Angeles, California, San Diego, California, Long Beach, California, Santa Ana, California, and Anaheim, California. And now to the hail threat for today. There is no hail threat for today. There is no hail threat for today. So that's good news. So in summary, strong thunderstorms may impact the coastal areas of central and southern California today. These storms may produce locally damaging wind gusts and perhaps a brief tornado. So, that's your day one severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, even though it's only marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck they can pull off sometimes. And because this is rare for California, because it's not very common in California to get severe weather risks, those areas will especially want to prepare. You'll want to remain especially prepared, especially by the fact that this is not very common in California. I mean, it happens once in a while, but not too often. So, stay safe in the marginal today, and right now there's only a general thunderstorm risk for day 2. So, if day 2 remains general thunderstorm, then there'll be no need for day 2 severe weather outlook. But if day 2 does get upgraded to a marginal, then I will have a day 2 for severe weather. But I promise I will have the fire weather outlook video, because the day 2 fire weather outlook later today, because there's a big risk for fire spread tomorrow in parts of central U.S. So anyway, I'll go over that later in the day 2 fire weather outlook. But again, if the day 2 severe weather outlook remains shown with thunderstorms, then I will not have a day 2 severe weather outlook video. So stay safe in the margin today, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.